Welcome to our channel. Today, we have 10 delicious and nutritious healthy snack ideas that you can enjoy guilt-free. Let's get started. Number 1. Apple slices with peanut butter. Not only is this snack sweet and crunchy, but the combination of apple's fiber and peanut butter's protein will keep you feeling satisfied and energized. Next up, Greek yogurt with berries. This creamy and tangy snack is packed with calcium, protein, and antioxidants. Add some fresh berries for an extra burst of flavor and vitamins. Moving on to number 3, carrot sticks with hummus. This classic combo is not only tasty, but also a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Number 4, homemade kale chips. These crispy snacks are a nutritious alternative to potato chips. Just toss some kale leaves with olive oil and bake them until they're perfectly crispy. A delicious and guilt-free snack. For number 5, try roasted chickpeas. These tasty little bites are loaded with fiber and protein. Simply season them with your favorite spices and roast until golden and crunchy. Number 6, cucumber slices with cream cheese. This refreshing snack is hydrating and low in calories. The crunch of the cucumber combined with the creamy texture of cream cheese makes for a satisfying treat. Next, we have number 7, homemade trail mix. Combine your favorite nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and a sprinkle of dark chocolate for a nutritious and portable snack. Number 8, avocado toast. This trendy snack is not only Instagram worthy, but also a great source of healthy fats and fiber. Top your whole wheat toast with mashed avocado and a dash of salt and pepper. Moving on to number 9, boiled eggs. These protein-packed snacks are easy to make and perfect for on the go. Finally, for number 10, we have frozen grapes. This simple snack is a refreshing and nutritious way to satisfy your sweet tooth. Pop some grapes in the freezer, and voila! A guilt-free frozen treat. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed these healthy snack ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious and nutritious recipes. See you next time.